Hey guys, what's up? My name is Louie. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump in this video and let you guys know that I actually tried filming this video like 3 or 4 times and it just didn't work out at all, which sucks. So before I actually play the montage-y artsy video of my room, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the things and where they're from. So let's just get into the video. So the first thing I wanted to show was this brown wooden bed, and it was from IKEA. It was really easy to set up and it goes really nicely with the dark gray walls that I have, and I think it was only 130 bucks. The next thing were these plants, and they were only $5 or $4 each from Target. Another thing I wanted to show was this salt rock lamp, and I got it from Walmart for only about 15 bucks, and it works really nicely. Lastly was this brown wooden clock, and it matches the bed really well, and it just looks really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was really short. I don't know, just making a long video explaining everything sounded pretty boring to me, so I just didn't really want to do that. But yeah, I thought it was pretty good. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, I would appreciate it so much. Follow me on my Instagram so you can see my posts. And see you in the next one. Can't really play it that good, but I'm working on it.